Well, here I am at the Lower Tampa Bay Nature Trail. Taking a pause break for some doo-doo. And yeah, it's like 5 degrees out here. No, I'm just kidding. It's like 105 degrees out here. And there's people running like that guy right there who doesn't have a shirt on. And yeah, it's pretty warm. I love it. And at night, it's getting down into like the 50s, which is perfect for sleeping. So daytime can be a little unbearable. Like today was pretty hot, and my fantastic fan decided to stop working. I'm not sure what the deal is there. There's a little bus fuse that's in the fan. I'm gonna try that and see if that changes anything. But after this, I'm going to head up to a certain place in Florida to visit a certain friend in Florida who has a certain dog in Florida and drives a certain van in Florida. So, not saying any names, you'll have to guess who that might be. But I'll be getting up there. I might go in there tonight and stay nearby, or I might just stay here. It's about an hour away. So. It's a pretty nice spot to film. It's quiet, and it's really nice at this park. Even the drains. Like, I don't get out much, but in Maryland, it's nothing but iron and buildings and buildings and buildings and rich people and their Mercedes is cutting you off. And here it's just, it's crazy. It's nice. Everybody's nice. The weather's nice. The environment's nice. I love Florida. But I'm leaving and I'm going to Texas in a couple days, probably after tomorrow, to go to Padre Island in Corpus Christi for the RV meetup. So if anybody's going there, I'll be there. The Explorer will be there. And Luca will be there too. So hope to see everybody out and introduce myself and make some new friends and see the faces that I've been watching on a computer screen for the last upwards of 3 years. So what am I, a couple 100 feet into this? It's gonna be a few more miles. Later. So since everything's pretty much been covered on YouTube, that's a baby palm tree. Yep. And there's a lot more of them all in here. It's really cool. Yep, there's a couple big ones right there that they didn't cut down. Isn't it amazing? My thumb's in the way. But yeah, we're still on the... Get him! Get him, Sober! Get him, Sober! Y'all sound so vicious. Watch him. Butt circle.
I don't think it's a butt circle. Have to dominate her. Look at this.
Yeah.
She won't
She's
have
not
it.
giving that ass.
Oh boy.
Oh wow.
Oh boy.
He's trying to bite her. Yeah, Sober can hold her on. See that? She don't have that at all. Leave my ass alone. I don't think it's her ass.
He's like, you're damn red rockets on again.